Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to uninstall the League of Legends from your PC. So the first thing that I need to do is let's exit this application and then navigate to the bottom corner of your screen and then tap on this one and then right click the Riot client. Okay, and then exit. Then right after that, you will just have to use the search bar and then type out remove application. I mean remove program, okay? So just click on it and then you will use the search bar and then type out League of Legends. Okay, and then you can see the three dots here. So we just tap on it and then click on the uninstall option and then click on the uninstall again to confirm your action. So right after that, you will be able to uninstall the League of Legends from your PC. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.